if you cannot reach your hands overhead without flexing your spine or putting your shoulders in a weird position, then you're just gonna do half presses or quarter presses. You're just not gonna press all the way overhead, and you're gonna keep your elbows a little bit more in front of you. If you have the mobility, the requisite mobility, then the elbows are gonna come out a little bit wider, and then you're gonna press those hands all the way up overhead. Think about squeezing your glutes, flexing your quads, and engaging your abs while you're pressing up overhead. And then you're gonna wanna keep your shoulders packed. So shoulders down and back and packed in that top position as you come all the way down. So to regress the dumbbell overhead press as you're pressing, if you're already reducing the distance, then the first thing that we're gonna do, just like any other time, is we're gonna decrease the weight or completely get rid of the weight, and then you're still gonna engage in that movement. The next thing you're gonna do is reduce the movement. So don't come as far down, don't go as far up. And then lastly, if you still need to regress, then just slow down that movement. The first thing you're gonna do is increase speed. So keeping the quality of movement, just increase the tempo of that movement a little bit faster, a little bit faster, a little bit faster. When you've maxed out the speed at which you can move it while still maintaining quality, and if you still need to progress it, then you're gonna try to increase the distance. Again, you can't really increase the distance for this one, so the next thing you would do is go into increasing the weight. So just add a little bit heavier dumbbell.